Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Devas here and welcome back with another video on our YouTube channel, Feel Your Mobile. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to mount a GoPro properly on your helmet. If you are into motovlogging or if you just want to record footage of you riding motorcycle on your GoPro and you want to post it on Instagram, then you will have to mount your GoPro at the front of your helmet. So to do this, I'm gonna be showing you one amazing trick so that your angle looks completely fine and it looks awesome. So to install this on your helmet, you'll require some accessories which you can easily find online on Amazon or Flipkart. So the first thing you'll need is this kind of sticky mount. This has this 3M sticky tape at the back of it, but what we are doing, we don't need this. We have to remove this thing from back. So the first thing is this mount. Then the next we require is this kind of J mount. This also you can find easily online. And then you will need M-seal. Now the reason why we are using M-seal, that I'll explain you further in this video, but now if you have all these things, then we can start installing it on our helmet. So as we have all the things we require, now we'll be starting installing GoPro on our helmet. So as you can see at the front of this helmet, this surface is not flat. So the first mount we need to stick on the helmet. This is not possible to stick here. So that's why we are using M-seal. So the first thing, take the M-seal, open it. You'll find two different packets in it. So mix it together. So that's what I'm gonna do right now first. Together. Now our M-seal is mixed properly and it's ready to go on our helmet. Now what you have to do is put this M-seal at the place where you want to mount your GoPro. So I'm gonna be sticking it here. Now once you have layered the M-seal on the surface of your helmet, the next thing you have to do is take this mount and stick it on the surface and make sure that this is at the right position. This is straight, not inclined or not rotated. Keep doing this, keep doing this, keep doing this. This will take time, but take your time and mount it properly. And then this will become the strongest mount possible to stick on your helmet. So this is the next day and it has been more than 12 hours, and now as you can see that this mount has become rock solid. So now we can mount our GoPro on this mount. So the first thing we'll do is we will put this J hook here in this way. And now as this J hook is installed here, now we will mount our GoPro here at this place. And then fix it here with this screw. So this is how it will look. Okay, so now is the time to try this and see. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, it has started recording. If you like this video, then please press the like button below, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you and stay tuned.